Congratulations for becoming the first Crorepati of the season. How does that feel, Nazia?
It feels very unreal, and I've been talking to so many friends and family, and it's just started to sink in once the
Right.
promos started. But I'm absolutely overwhelmed by the kind of reception I've got from friends, old and new, family members, people I haven't spoken to in years. They have been, taking the pain of finding out my phone number and calling me or
Wow.
reaching me through Facebook.
So tell me, how did KBC happen, where you've been trying for it for a long time?
Oh, yes. As in, we've had 12 seasons of KBC and 20 years now, ever since it first aired. I was in college when it first came, and I was in Ranchi. And I truly believe that KBC is a very aspirational show. It is not just a show of question and answers, but it has built a lot of aspiration for middle class, rural, urban India, people living in small cities. They all aspire to be on the hot seat, because I think it is one of the first platforms that actually gives you, a chance to talk to a celebrity who's larger than life, who's like almost, godlike in India. So everybody, not more than the money, as in, more than the money, people really wanted to be on that hot seat and drive that aspiration of being there. So
Right.
I have almost tried for 8 to 10 seasons. My mother has been the force
Wow.
of reckoning. She is absolutely the force behind what I am, and she was like, constantly nagging me that. And this year also, when the registration started, she was the one to call me up and say that, hey, why don't you try? And as luck would have it, here we are.
Tell me about the preparation, because they could just want some tips or just want to know that journey of reaching the hot seat. What is the kind of preparation you did to reach KBC?
Okay, not so much in terms of preparing for the show, but what I really want people to be inspired from me is that, if I can change the mentality of the society of not giving a freedom of choice to young girls and women. I think that is the thing that they really that really needs to change, because I'm sure that there's so many other talented people, and KBC gives a chance to everybody. There's no set rule or a parameter for anybody to
Right.
win KBC, right? People who are working in Anganwadi have won. People
Yeah.
who are IS aspirants have won. People who own small local businesses have won. People, yesterday there's this teacher from Bihar, she won. So I think KBC is a platform that gives you the confidence and the hope that I can make it. I think one, you need to operate from that hope that it can happen to me. I can become person sitting on the hot seat, even if I don't become a crorepati. But KBC really tests your knowledge, assimilated over the years. It is not a textbook preparation at all. The questions that you see in KBC are not like black and white, right? Most of the times, they are questions which really test your analytical capability in terms of how well can you read and you can analyze. And for me. Honestly, Sana, I was talking to somebody and I was telling them that, it's like a Slumdog Millionaire moment for me, because,
Yeah.
all that I've read, there were certain questions that were coming, and I was thinking, oh my God, I have taught Daniel, my son, this in school. And, it was somewhere there in my subconscious, and those strings kept joining. So I
Right.
would not say that you can prepare for KBC in 3 months or a month like a bookworm, but KBC is really a test of your knowledge accumulated over the years. KBC is a test of your personality. The KBC is a test of your confidence and how far do you want to go in life. I think all that works hand in hand and really helps you, go really ahead.
Amitabh Bachchan seemed impressed. We saw the promo. We've only seen the promo, but of course he seemed quite impressed with your the way you played the game. Tell me about meeting him and talking to him. How was that experience for you?
Amitabh Bachchan, I don't think there's even a single person in this country who's either not aware of him or who's not been captured by
Right.
his aura. When I met him for the first time, when he walked inside the set, he was like one of us, as in he did not have that tantrum and of a superstar, and he's walking in and he's so professional. He comes, he does his shooting, and he he kind of looks us into the eye, and he was going around and he was telling everybody, okay, best of luck, play well, dance kheliye and all that. So, that entire feeling of the entire KBC crew really wanting you to win, and they really want people to go ahead in the game. So that, Mr. Bachchan would always coach you, ki aaram se kheliye, be calm, and he would crack some jokes. He would be the one who will be very open. So, it's quite ironical to see that, somebody who's larger than life and yet so humble. It's very inspirational, and many a times I would tell him that, you are so big, and he would say, I am nothing. And, that's exactly what makes a man or a woman really great.